Hi everyone, my name is Karen and I'm a multimedia artist. Today we do day 2 of our 24 days of Gouache advent calendar. I'm really excited to see what color we're gonna get and how that's gonna challenge us to create something Christmassy according to the season. So come with me and grab a cup of coffee and let's get painting. Day 2, here we go. Here we have our Miyahimi Gouache 24 palette, and let's see what it brings us for day number 2. And it's this beautiful shade of blue, guys. I love this color, but then again, I might be a little biased because I love my blues, but I really think this is a beautiful shade. It's more like a violet blue. So here I decided to go for another black paper. The reason why is because this one, again, it's a very light color and it just pops, in my opinion, it pops a lot better on black paper. So I decided to go for, you guessed it, snowflakes. To be honest with you, drawing snowflakes terrifies me a little, just because every time I'm drawing a snowflake, the first thing that comes to mind is spider webs. I don't know why. I feel like it doesn't look like a snowflake when I'm doing it. It looks like a spider web. But either way, I pushed those fears aside and I decided to go for it. It was really fun once I started realizing that, okay, every snowflake is different. There is no need to make anything perfect or perfectly symmetrical. Snowflakes have their beauty in their imperfections. Once I was done with my pencil sketches, I decided to go for it with the paint. And here I started adding more diluted paint and painting little snowflakes just to give the illusion of them being farther away from the ones that I have up front. Guys, I would love to hear what you would have painted with this blue. I wonder if you're doing the challenge with me or if you're perhaps are doing another kind of advent calendar. I just would love to I think painting may be a rather lonely hobby, perhaps, if you don't connect with other artists. So I hope and I wish from the bottom of my heart that I can reach out to you and build a beautiful community of artists. I just want to get to know you. So here, I thought that the background snowflakes were a little too intense for my liking, so what I did, I just grabbed clean water with my paintbrush and dabbed on the places that I thought were too intense and lifted the paint because it reactivates again. That's the beauty of gouache. You can reactivate it as many times as you want. And here's what I had so far. I thought it was very pretty the way it was, but then I thought maybe it could use a little sparkle. So here enters my gold acrylic ink. So I just put a little bit of dots here and there, just make it a little sparkly, and added a messy little frame. Alright guys, so that was our day 2 of our 24 days of Gouache advent calendar. I really like the way this turned out. I think it would make a really wonderful Christmas card. I hope you enjoyed, and I get to see you on the next day, and happy holidays!